What's up guys, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at 3 brand new watch bands made by Carterjett for the brand new Galaxy watch. Now there's 3 different bands. There's the silicone band that comes in multiple colors. There's the leather strap band that comes in either black or brown. And then there are the nylon bands that come in a few different colors as well. All these bands are 22mm watch bands and can be used with any watch that accepts 22mm watch bands. Now all these bands also have the quick releases on them, so you can take these watch bands on and off within a matter of minutes. It's very simple to do. You just push over the little rod and the band comes out. It's just that simple. Now all these bands that I'm showing you today will be available soon on Carterjett's website as well as Amazon.com, and I will be updating the video with that site as soon as they become available. But for now, I will be putting a link in the description that will allow you to express your interest in the bands and get you product launch discounts. Now first off, let's go ahead and take a look at the nylon band. That's what I have on here right now. Just something very simple. You'd probably want to wear this maybe with some casual wear, or maybe if you like to work outside, or just go out somewhere shopping or something like that. It's got that nice nylon, some good stitching. You won't have to worry about this coming apart. It's stiff right where it connects to the watch. And here you have the clasps. It has one band holder that slides up and down and another one that's fixed. And if you go to Carterjett's website, there's a few different ways that you can actually thread the band through these little holders too. So that's pretty nice. And here it is on your wrist. And as I said, these come in multiple colors. It's very light, it's comfortable, and it looks good with that two-tone silver and black. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the black leather. As you can see, it's not very cheap. It's a nice thick piece of leather. It's flexible, not very stiff. It's got that nice leather smell. It's also coated on both sides, whereas some you'll see where it has kind of like that microfiber on one side and it'll have the leather on the other, whereas this one is coated in leather on both sides, which is going to increase the durability and decrease the risk of it falling apart early or getting really dirty. I've seen a lot of the ones with the microfiber get very dirty from your wrist, but you won't have to worry about that because this is solid leather on both sides. It's got the little logo, genuine leather. And here it is on my wrist. Very nice looking. It definitely makes the watch a lot classier looking. This would probably be something you'd want to wear when you're maybe dressing up. You had a long sleeve dress shirt on or something like that. Or I mean, if you just like to wear a leather band watch, this is very nice. Looks very good. And as I said, it comes in 2 different colors, brown and black. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't grab onto your arm, and it's not irritative. Very comfortable. I think that looks really good. As you can see, I'm a big fan of black. It just seems to go really well with this watch. And here we have the Tire Tread silicone band. Now this one is pretty versatile. You'd probably want to wear this mostly if you're, you like to work out, or you're going cycling or maybe jogging or running, simply because you can wash this very easily. It's made of a very nice solid silicone. It's pretty thick, very flexible, very comfortable. I went cycling with this on and I had absolutely no problems with it whatsoever. It didn't irritate my hand or anything. It's very solid. It doesn't feel like that plasticky silicone. Very thick, flexible. So you'd pretty much want to wear this when you're being active. Just like I said, simply because it's able to be washed off very easily. You're going to be sweating a lot. You probably wouldn't want to wear the nylon or the leather, just because if that gets dirty or sweaty, you really don't want to put water on that. It'll kind of ruin it. But this, definitely good for outdoor activities. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said before, these will be coming out soon on either the Carterjett website or Amazon.com, and I will update the video with that link as soon as it becomes available. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.